Episode 2 of peptides. Today we're going to talk about a very popular peptide, BPC-157. Body Protective Compound 157 has become extremely popular in wellness, anti-aging, and orthopedics post-surgically. It's a synthetic peptide made from a gastric protein. It's believed to be helpful in the healing of wounds, orthopedic injuries, and also some gastric protection. It's believed to have some neuroprotective properties as well as some cardiac protective properties as well. It helps wounds heal and injuries recover by increasing fibroblast activity and also by helping vascular neogenesis, increasing the blood flow into the area. And it's been looked at for injuries of tendon, ligaments that typically don't have great blood supply. What evidence do we have to know that BPC-157 works? Well, some early research in humans in the 1990s looked at its gastroprotective effects, and those were done in human trials, which did show safety and efficacy for some gastric irritation. Now, a lot of the other studies are done in rodents and in vitro, which means in the laboratory studies that looked at these other potential benefits. There are a few small studies looking at wound healing and tissue repair with BPC-157 in humans, but these were small pilot studies. Most of the evidence we have for pain and inflammation is anecdotal, mostly case studied reports and people reporting its benefit. BPC-157 is not an FDA approved product. It is used experimentally in humans through pharmaceutical laboratories. The use of it is not looked at in long-term studies, so we don't know its long-term safety data. But in anecdotal evidence and the small studies we do have, it didn't have any severe side effects that have been reported anecdotally, with a lot of use of it throughout the United States and other countries. There's no set one protocol used for BPC-157. There's a lot of different protocols out there, most commonly between 400 to 600 micrograms a day subcutaneous injection. Most people cycle it with 6 to 8 week cycles. Now, there's no literature confirming which dose range or which cycle period is the best, but that's typically how it's used. In some specific injuries, some people do give it BID dosing to help repair and recovery, and that may be a shorter cycle of 4 weeks. But this is still under investigation, and different protocols vary throughout the country and per provider. What do you think about BPC-157? Let me know in the comments.